That's the smell. Oh yeah, that's good. So this Versatile 570 is our second tractor. The other one is on the drill. So this tractor is our grain cart, harrowing, land roller tractor, and then when I get the drill stuck, this guy comes to the rescue. So it has more than enough horsepower for the 1,000 bushel grain cart, but this size works pretty good for us. Maybe look to upgrade in the future, going to that 13 or 15,000 bushel cart, but works pretty good for us. Why is the seat on the ground? Ronnie's just pulling up. He's operating that combine today. My dad's going already up there. So Taylor's usually in the grain cart. She's our grain cart driver, but she's at school today. So I'm in here for a little bit until she gets home. So all you kids at school that watch my videos, listen to your teachers. This is the camera that shows the grain cart. It's up there. We got a scale. I am empty. This is just my tractor screen. This is kind of the home screen, shows the gear and RPM and fuel and def and pressures, and my hydraulics are on. I'm ready for action. I like to give you guys a good perspective of kind of everything that we do, so I try to mix it up a little bit. So today's a good mix. In the grain cart, I've done some combining videos, some hauling videos when I'm in the truck. A lot of spraying videos. Grandpa's reporting for duty. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. This is in Vigor 356 canola. It's running about maybe a little better than 30 bushels an acre, which is all we can ask for. About 5 inches of rain here total. It's standing pretty good because it's not that heavy. Got a good chunk of land here. We're almost done down here. Nice and flat, not many rocks. And then we gotta move up later to the bush. I'd say everything at home and like Alvin's and the Hill and Menninger's and stuff is maybe a little bit better than this, and then up north is a little bit worse than this. Hey, I got my first customers. Let's see if I remember how to do this. This was kind of where I started out on the farm, helping out in the auger tractor that we have on the auger right now, John Deere 8300 with a 700 bushel grain cart. Already behind. He's a $7 million bull rider.
Then you can unload your dad again, and that at least will get your car a little fuller.
Driving right alongside. Scale's going up. That's him unloading. Cart's getting full. It's a good angle watching that FD2 from the side. The canvas is so much deeper. Like the canola laying in there only is half that canvas. So if you had 50, 60 bushel canola, it might feed pretty good. Grain cart in 30 bushel canola, not that stressful when it's 120 bushel barley or 60 bushel wheat. And it gets a little dicey. There's Mrs. Grain Cart Driver coming to steal my job. PTO driven. Used to have the hydraulic pump on here, but we took it off. PTO is a little bit quicker. Gate? Yes. Chutes are closed. That's a bonus. I'm good in here. You want to take this load? She didn't go for it. The shop's coming along nicely. The roof is pretty much done. The ridge plate's on, softening fascia is on. They're putting the house wrap on, and the insulators are here doing the inside. We're running out of bin space, and all the bins on the north side of this row are empty, so we need to cut some canola. We seeded right up to the bins, so we need to cut that canola to make room for ourselves to use that north row. You can see I sprayed it. You can see where I missed around this corner. It's still green. That'll mix in. There, my dad's clearing some space for us. We'll have better access to some more bins. Probably need to stop seeding right to the bins. Bin's getting full. Should be close. We're gonna make it. Little bit of room. Moving the auger. Again. It's a good thing. They got about half of the west wall up and then the trim around the window. It looks good. Make sure the manhole cover is secure and down all the way. If not, canola can leak out. Bottom's closed. Looks good. The west wall of tin is almost done. They got the house wrap on. Insulation. Almost did all this. Almost finished this in one day. Not much left there. Just need the vapor barrier still. And the exterior. And then gotta work on the roof, the floor. It's shaping up. And now it's spitting out. Dust just hanging in the air. Combines are black. Windshield's dirty. Gears are grinding. It's trying to sprinkle on us all evening, but we're gonna keep rolling. I got my fantasy football draft in 30 minutes. Doing it live from the combine. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.